Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial on Google Ads. Now we have done a lot of tutorials on Google Ads. If you want to check out some other tutorials, you can check out on our channel. But today I'm going to show you how to delete campaign on Google Ads. Now this should be very easy. For some reason people are searching for this, so I wanted to make a video on this. So since I'm not logged in right now into my computer, what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you from the Samurai PPC. So thank you for their tutorial. Basically, you want to go to all campaigns. From all campaigns, you need to go to campaigns right here. From campaigns, you will basically reach all of the campaigns right here. Now, depending on your filter on top, as you can see right here, you should see an overview of all your available campaigns. Now, basically what you want to do is you want to go mouse over the campaign that you want to delete, and then as you can see, you have three options. You have enable, pause, or remove. So of course, depending on what you want to do, you can either pause or remove. Pausing is just pausing shortly, and removing is completely removing the campaign. So if your campaign is not really performing, and maybe you want to change few things, then go and pause it. If your campaign is literally not performing at all and you just want to remove it and delete it like all time, right? Just go and click remove. Now, of course, your intention is not to enable, so basically you need to remove or pause. This will depend again on your intention. Removing the campaign is permanent. You cannot reverse the action, so you will not be able to access it anymore. So again, if you want to pause it, you can pause it. It's pretty much the same as removing, although you can later on enable the campaign. So that's pretty much how to delete campaigns on Google Ads. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.